Grassy hills roll toward a long wall of banded buttes in Badlands National Park. The foreground humps wear a soft mix of green and muted reds, their edges brushed by wind. Midday light breaks through pale clouds and lays slow-moving shadows across the prairie. A lone tree stands in the middle distance, and cottony clouds drift toward the sharp blue ridge. The air smells of sun-warmed grass and dust. Crickets rasp from the low swales, and meadowlarks trade clear whistles somewhere out of sight. Far terraces of clay and ash stack into lavender and rust layers, a quiet geology lesson stretching to the horizon. I pulled off at an overlook and set the tripod where the near mounds could lead the eye across the valley. I leveled the horizon, framed wide to hold the sweep of grass, and chose a small aperture to keep the buttes crisp. A polarizer trimmed glare and deepened the greens without pushing the color too far. I waited for a patch of light to slide across the center hills, then made the frame as the clouds opened. Watching the prairie breathe under passing shadows, I felt steadied by the rhythm, a calm space between weather and stone. This wall art brings open country ease to living rooms, offices, cabins, and entryways. It pairs well with natural woods, leather, slate, and earth-tone textiles. Choose fine art paper for classic framing. Select gallery-wrapped canvas for ready-to-hang warmth. Pick sleek metal and aluminum for a clean contemporary finish, or luminous acrylic for extra depth and clarity. Sizes range from small accents to large statement panoramas for wide walls. Every piece is produced with long-lasting UV-resistant inks, so color and detail stay true over time, carrying a clear prairie horizon into your space.